I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will learn how to solve quadratic equations by factoring. Question here is, solve each equation by factoring. We are given two different equations. First one is x square plus 2x minus 3 equals to 0, and then we have minus 5t square plus 20t equals to 0. Let us factor and solve these equations. Now in the first one, x square plus 2x minus 3 equals to 0, we need to find two numbers whose product should be minus 3. So we are looking for two numbers, let us say p and q, whose product should be minus 3, and when you add them you should get plus 2. So when you add p and q you should get plus 2. Now what are these two numbers? It could be 3 times minus 1, right? So if you have 3 times minus 1, then when you multiply them you get minus 3, when you add them you get plus 2. So these two numbers can help us factor the given trinomial. So let us factor using these two numbers. We get x plus 3 times x minus 1, and the equation is equals to 0, right? So if you have difficulty in understanding this, I'll provide you with a link so that you understand the concept. So practice factoring before getting here. Okay. Now when we say solve, it means we have to make left side equals to right side is 0, so we have to make this 0. Now that is possible if each factor or either one of them is 0. So possible solutions are, we'll equate x plus 3 to 0, so that gives us x equals to minus 3, and now we'll do x minus 1 equals to 0, solve for x is equals to 1. So in this case we have two solutions, and our answer or the solution is x equals to minus 3 and x equals to plus 1. So these are the two solutions for the given quadratic equation. Let us follow the same steps and do the next one. Now we have minus 5t square plus 20t equals to 0. Let's factor. You can take minus 5t common, so we have minus 5t. We're left with t minus 4 equals to 0. Now here also we have two solutions. Minus 5t equals to 0, that means t equals to 0. 5 cannot be 0, right? And the other one is t minus 4 equals to 0. That gives us t equals to 4. So in this case, again we have two solutions. So our solutions are t equals to 0 and plus 4. So that is how we can actually solve quadratic equations using factoring. Now what you can do is, you can check your solution. When you substitute these values back into the equation, that left side should be equal to right side. That is to say, the equation should be equal to 0. So you can do that as an added exercise. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.